Okay. Hello guys. Can you hear me well? I uh, I am just checking all the materials right here. We will start a live in maybe 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Let's quickly share the purpose of this live. Welcome to the very first live of myself. This is Grace, and I am going to set zero and reveal all the YouTube channel, TikTok channel, including X myself, and the idea of the recreation. I would like to know from scratch if we are going to build the social media as an influencer. How are we gonna make it effective? Which materials, which element that needs to be done? And so far on the operation side, I would like to set up the incubation program, as in like if we are going to form a team and build the hub of the influencers, how can we grow this hub? How can we make it successful together? And that for sure that will be the operation aspect as well as in front of the camera aspect. So I just want to jump start from the in front of the camera aspect first, see the algorithm on TikTok, X, as well as YouTube. So the idea of the channel here on the YouTube, I'd like to try the general talk, so Web3 talks, as well as if I bumped into the interesting founder, successful project in any other blockchain conference, we can set up a interviews as well, or maybe the podcast, as well as to um, dive deeper what is the secret sauce of the success project that they have been building, including general chat as the market updates, or what is going on daily, weekly, or hot news, hottest vibes, hottest projects at the moment. And I think I will put the live schedule at least one time per week. It can be my YouTube channel, it can be my TikTok channel, as well as the XMA, or it can be live streaming on X as well. And so far, who am I? It's very interesting. Let me quickly introduce myself. This is Grace. I have been working in crypto for 4 year and a half maybe. I jumped into the market since the last bull run. It's gonna be around September or August or September around here, if I remember it correctly. And before this, I was in e-commerce, and I was looking around to find a new workplace that is more enthusiast, more faster pace, as well as can generate the daily basis of happiness, enthusiasm, busy business as well. And I was looking around and I got the a friend asking around to recruit the team members to build the Web3 games. Back then, we were building on Binance Smart Chain, and it was pretty success. We had localized the community in seven to eight countries: Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Latin America, and maybe Pakistan and India around here as well. So it was mainly in the Buran moment. So everything happened so quick. I was contributing to the team in the back end system, mostly in marketing, community, as well as business development. So all 3 months passed, we got the profit, and then we built the agency that is based in Asia. So we have partner around Asia, and I built this company 4 years. As well as right now, I resign and joined a new team, start something new, contribute something new. It's the new journey of myself again. So to consider this whole thing, it's the part of the construction plan as well. To build something, I need to put myself as an influencer and learn to how to write the curriculum, how to support, how to provide strength for our influencers, as well as the performer. Is there anything that we need as the support to make the channel successful? So yeah, this is the whole idea of this big thing that I am going to build. And for this channel specifically, I think let's begin the journey of the influencer. I will try with the market updates. Let's use the CoinMarketCap, the general official place that people check out the market overviews daily. So let's quickly see the price today. Um, Fear and Greed Index, we have 26 so far in fear. That is not going to be bullish in maybe 1 to 2 weeks. And the market cap so far right now we have 3.47 trillion with 160 billion. So far it's pretty sustainable. And the altcoin season index right now, it's gonna lean more on the Bitcoin season. We have 27 out of 100 lean more on the Bitcoin performance and price. Right now we have Bitcoin price at 10300. um, it jumps, it's dropped down 1.42%. As well as Ethereum price, we have $3,400. It drops as well for 2.54%. As well as the BNB token, we have 900, almost $60. It drops as well to 2.37%. And Solana price, we have today 155, and the price drops 5.27%. And the whole XRP right here, we have 2.4 dollars, and the price drops to 2.7%. And talking about the percent number of the BTC dominance, we have right now 59.4% on BTC, as well as Ethereum 12%. And other coins, we have dominance in second rank 28.6%. And the total net flow right here As of 30 days so far, we have 212 million inject into the cycle. And moving on to what's interesting to see, we see the cryptocurrencies that build on chain so far. Let's see, the whole year building, most of the tokens, most of the project I see they are on they are on Solana. And most of them build on inject a lot of liquidity right here, as well as the second rank. It's gonna be on base, as well as the third ranking. It's gonna be on BTC. And so far, I think the most performance is that drag the liquidity in. And it's gonna be a lot of meme coins. So moving next to Bitcoin treasuries of the public companies holding the total numbers of the supply, Bitcoin supply hold, we have 1.1 million. And the country that holds the most Bitcoin treasury is in the US, which is 90.6%. And the second rank is in the Japan, 2.9%. And the third ranking is in China, 1.4%. Uh, Talking about the company, we have Bitcoin, a micro strategy right here, holding Bitcoin for 60.41%. And other company in the second ranking of the pie chart at 16.53%. Breaking down into the third ranking, it's the Malar from US company we have right here, 5% total. And it's interesting because, yeah, the population in the US is pretty massive, as well as I see they have the Bitcoin conference in the US as well. If I don't remember it wrong, I think it's gonna be two times per year in Las Vegas, and then probably in Toronto, Canada. And let's see, I think this year we are going to have it in Texas or Miami. Oh yeah, same place. They are going to host this conference again, Bitcoin conference 2026 in the April in the Las Vegas. And the whole chain conference they have in Bitcoin Amsterdam, Bitcoin Mina, Bitcoin Hong Kong. So for my journey, I have been in Hong Kong last year. It was pretty good. A lot of minor business that I have seen, that they have the boot installation over there. And they hosted at the SEC. So the conference is pretty big. And the population, they are from all around the world, including the builders or the liquidity provider, VC, family office that based in Hong Kong. And also the builder that based in China mainland, as well as the company itself from the US. I remember it was very interesting. I stopped by at one booth, and they have the cash exchange. For example, if you have the Bitcoin wallet application, and you can just exchange the cash Hong Kong dollar in that physical physical instrument, physical exchange, and then you can just receive the Bitcoin in the Bitcoin wallet applications as well. It was pretty innovative, and I remember the founder, both of them, they are based in the US, but I cannot remember which states so far. For me, it leans more on the mining business and a lot of wallets and in Bitcoin conference in Hong Kong the previous year. And okay, coming back to our dashboard, we move next to top coins performance in 3 months, as well as top 100 losers coin. Let's see which tokens are the top performance, top loss for 10 ranking. The first one we saw double zero. It is down 75.65%. And then the second one we have SPX 60.50%. And the third one we have Pengu, that is down almost 60%, 59.87%, and ENA 58.36%. FET, Artificial Super Intelligent Alliance, it was down how much? A 58.36%. Oh, FET, yeah, it is down 56.22%. And bank, that is pretty degen in the market. Bank, it is down 53.70%. And also we have right here CARV, CARV, CARV down. Token, we have it here. It is down 53.78%. And injective as well, injective protocol, it is down 52.17%. And tier, a lot of infrastructure protocol that was down lately in the previous quarter. Injective Celestria, Celestria, right now we had it down 51.54%. And PayPay, it is down 51.26%. So so far this is the whole top 3 top 10 top loss token in one quarter. So next one, let's move to see the top coin. We still have Ether, the best performance so far. It is very bullish. Ether is CEC. Ether in these 3 months, they jumped to 1,248.41%. Let's see what is the price. $1, 1.13 right here. And the second one, it's the ZEC, 1,092, almost 93%. The price, it's 469.25 C cash. And the third one, it's the Zone. It jumps this 3 month for 462%. And meme core, it's really good performance right here. Mimco, it's very speed growth. Price right here, they have $2 and 39 cents, and it jumps 450%. Dash right now. Ooh, it jumps 196%, as in DCR decred. The price right now it's 34.22, jumping to 196%, as well as DTR decred 93.28%. MYX Finance. Right now we have this coin at the $2.45, jumping, increasing 85.11%. And Trust Wallet, I assume Trust Wallet right now, the token price is at 1.22, and it jumped to 54%. The last one right here, we have Monero or XMR. The price slightly increased to $381. So the total percent, it jumps to 49.61%. So far, the top loss, I see a lot of infrastructure token right here. We have Sui, OP, ENS, Celestia, Injective, and the top performance, it's gonna be wallet, privacy, exchange, meme, infrastructure. So far, yeah. Let's see. Oh, we have BNB right here as well. TAM, ICP, Virtual is still in the rank, and Starknet, and so let's move next to the, what should I talk about next? The main indicator. Okay, yeah, let's see which token is overbought and which token is oversold. So far, people still are bullish in the overbought. We have 2.9% right here, and the oversold is 0.5%. Oh, okay. So this is the whole infographic, right? Let's see the RSI heat map. The top token is gonna be in M. Oh, this one is Salos, MGB, LGCT, MPLX. The categorization of the token that is maintainable right here, we have BTC, ETH, XRP, BNB, Doge, H bar. Okay, CK dash, and the oversold. Right here we have Morpho, Wolfi, TRX, Spell, and Popcat. Okay, so let's quickly see the next one. Moving to see the top trending token so far. The 24-hour, the most trade top token, it's the Beat. The price jumped into 0.138 cent, and the price, it was losing for 14%. The second one is the Boost. The price in one day, it's dropped into 29%, as well as Elisa OAs, the price increases into 23%, and Nano as the fourth ranking, the price jumped into 30% in 24 hour. And next EXPC, the price right here we have 0.42, and it's increase 8.68% in one day. I think so far all of these token, they are on DEX, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, except NXPC we have it on Binance, Pancake Swap next, so Uniswap and CoinX. Okay, and let's see the whole bubble today. It really in red. The top performance daily, the green one I see CC, Aster, and Wolfi. Today, the top coin I see CC jumped to 13.4%, and the market cap of this token, the Canton network, it 4.49 billion. The second one, it's the let's move to Acer market cap to today, it's 2.32 billion, and the price right now jumped to 5% more. Also, as a World Liberty Financial, we have the market cap as of today 4.41 billion, and the price jumped to 4.8%. And yeah, this is so far the whole outlook of the crypto bubble. Soon as well, soon 12% down, stock 14% down. AI like render on those still sustainably down for 4%. The the next section, I think I will talk about the interesting news so far. This is the weekly news. The news that I picked gonna be a little bit of crypto economic, and maybe add a little bit of the politics, because so far I lost a little bit touch in politics, and we are having right now Trump, and some kind of news on the coin telegraph, and maybe talk about the top privacy coins as well. And I'd like to share the overview of the Thailand Blockchain Week during the previous event. Um, the reasons why I picked the news, it was the source from CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. I just admire the news in general, because for CoinDesk, it's a very good media. I remember back then I was stepping into the market. I was um, trying to see the big picture from the CoinDesk as well, consume the news and the technology that was evolving back then from CoinDesk. Yeah, and it was they have the crypto conference as well. that is the Hong Kong consensus. So I haven't joined them in Hong Kong yet. I try this year, this upcoming year. I think they are going to promote it right now. I have been advertised so far in Instagrams as well. Consensus, not concern. 2026. Oh yes, okay. They are having it in in February. Three 3 days, 10, 11, and 12. And yeah, so far I joined online last year when they hosted in Toronto, probably if I remember it correctly. And I like the way they put the panel discussion together. The panelists, the speaker, they are from all over the world. The big project, the people from the U.S. government, as well as the moderator is the real, the professional media as well, the professional reporter. So the key takeaway back then that I was listening online, I see the momentum, the huge adoption, like everyone from the government aspect, they try to work on it. How can they pick the cryptocurrency, the new money, the new finance, as well as the new technology to adopt and make the quality of life, the users, the quality of the user, the quality of the product, as well as the country boost it in a better way. And so far, let's see, they are counting down of the ticket price that is gonna jump into 10 days, but not sure how much is the price. I attended I attended online, was free back then. See the price of the ticket. I think it may be like 100. Oh, they have Pro Pass, Platinum Pass, Startup Package. Oh yeah, the founders, if you are interested, I think you can get the whole B2B package right here. And Piranha Pass for 100,000 USD. Pro Pass 550 USD. 50% re promotion from 1,000. Okay. And let's have a quick look of the feature speaker. They have Lily Liu, Solana Foundation President, Richard, Binance, Tom Lee, Fundstrat. Oh, the new project. I haven't seen this VC before. Jimmy Lee, BitGo, YC Lab. How to pronounce this in Chinese? YC Lab, said it correct. Animoca brand, the Yasui. I actually admire his talks as well. Uh, he always share the top notch innovative things, as well as the regulation between Hong Kong and China mainland. I know they have the Bitman, Tron, American Bitcoin. Oh, who else is in here? Maybe the other builders, VC family office in the ecosystem. Okay, yeah, I have a plan that I am going to join. It's not far from me as well. And yeah, oh, Redstone is coming here as well. Okay, maybe the content apart from the market overview, if I meet all of this key pusher of the project, the founders, I can set up a quick interview and we can have a discussion and broadcast from these channels as well. Let me know if you guys prefer any type of content. Okay, let's try to see the very first news. So far, what sparks me is the contribution of the Donald Trump in this market. It's pretty much control our card manipulated a little bit, but let's see what's the news says apart from my perception. So since Trump's election, crypto has experienced a year long ride. Yeah, it is. So the industry staunch ally and sometimes business partner in the White House has brought a flood of drama, both good and bad. So far, the momentum it's pretty good. I feel like if we don't have Trump as the president, the crypto market in general must be a little bit monotone and maybe it's pretty bored in terms of trading. There's no way up or no way down. So this new I got it from CoinDesk and it was out on November 10th. So before wrapping up, we move to the whole media. They say in Washington D.C. Donald Trump was elected president again 1 year ago this week through some of the crypto industry's lobbyists quietly say they feel like they have aged many years for this 1 year in this tumultuous 12 months, which saw a range of lofty highs and deep frustration in the young sector's hand for U.S. policy. Oh wait, it was surprising. I misunderstood. I thought the young sector, the youngster in the climate, they might be bullish, probably on the time perspective, vision, and contribution. So yeah, it's good to know. And then President Trump surged back into the White House with wow support from the crypto voters and optimism from many of the most prominent U.S. leaders of the industry that he would secure their place in the U.S. financial system. Okay, in many ways, that faith in the politician has paid off. So yes, he made his way up and sit in the chair for the second time. He quickly issued executive orders demanding progress on friendly crypto policy and the establishment of a Bitcoin reserve to stash the government's holdings as a long-term investment. For this paragraph, I think it's a very good achievement of himself as well. It's a movement, major movement, I would say, that push cryptocurrency in the government area itself, and I think he has been working very hard to work on it. Next, since day one, he has issued executive orders and moved for agency to pay attention to digital assets as and the idea that how blockchain can increase transparency across the government. This one is said by Cody Carbon, CEO of the Digital Chamber, in a statement to Coindesk. Yeah, he's right. Uh, it can support in terms of the transparency if you vote anyone. I want to see how does he look. Oh, okay. It's interesting the politician members of the Trump eras, they look pretty young, not the adult or too old to run the country. like the other party previously. Okay, so moving next. Okay, to sum up, this guy, he said the blockchain technology can support in the transparent aspects as well if we're going to move it to the government level. In the Congress, the industry shift from pariah of 2022 during its struggle with failing firms and fraud prosecutions to a top priority of 2025 with significant support from a president who made continual demands of allied lawmaker. Oh, okay. So they are making friend of the lawmaker in a stunning example of rapid bipartisan legislating, the guiding and establishing national innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act or Genius Acts that people talk it in short became law, the first major U.S. crypto policy effort to do so. The Trump administration, Treasury Department, and banking agency have already begun trying to sort out its implementation. Okay, a lengthy process as it wins its way through public comments period and eventually through multiple rule proposal. Okay, so far they are working on the paper in this 1 year timeline and then trying to deliver the actual program that can uh, use in capital. The Genius Act was meant as a companion to advance alongside the more important legislation that would set up rules of the road for the US crypto markets beyond the stablecoin issuer. While that effort again passed in the House of Representatives this year, the Senate hasn't yet act. I think maybe it's because they are still reviewing the paper. Maybe it takes a lot of parties to ship it and probably the stability of the whole financial system if we adopt crypto. What does it take as well? Maybe the race, the pro, the con. Mm. So as he continues skirting Congress, Trump has made some consequential appointments to run the U.S. financial regulators. So at the top of that list of crypto advocates, he has Paul Atkins. Okay, how does this guy look? Let me see. Paul S. Atkins. Is he replaced Gary Gensler, who was confirmed to lead to lead the Security and Exchange Commission? Okay, the SEC. So this is the look that will replace Kelly Gensler. Okay, and Atkins is a crypto supporter. Wow. Okay, who made friendly new policies. His top agency, he lately promised concrete rule proposal in the coming month. Okay, it's gonna be like pretty fascinating move since Tom said in the leading share, I have seen him trying to move people out and move people in to make crypto friendly uh, outlines to make crypto friendly to make it work in the climate and also Trump installed Jonathan Gould, a former crypto lawyer, Okay, okay. He has his guy in the SEC as well as in the regulation office. I wanna see how this guy look. Jonathan Gould. Okay. So this is a former crypto lawyer. So the past year has delivered that many thoughts it's impossible. So a complete reversal of federal crypto policy, transforming America from a jurisdiction defined by regulation by enforcement to one that's racing to lead the global digital economy, said Kristen Smith, president of Solana Policy Institute. Okay, so it's more like the ideology and perspective that they have to push things forward. On the flip side of his administration's crypto progress, Trump's volatile leadership has potentially threatened other parts of the agenda. I believe it's true. Or the current prolonged shutdown of the federal government, the longest ever, beating the record set during Trump's first term. It has contributed to a derailing of the Senate's legislative work, including the single most important U.S. policy aim for crypto. So it's the market structure bill. Okay. He tried to move things inside out. That is pretty pretty good. อ๋อไม่เป็นไรค่ะได้อยู่ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, yeah, coming back. Sorry, I was chatting with the server. It's raining right now, and she asked me if I prefer to move outside. I think I am good right here. It's pretty cool. And okay, so polling has consistently shown voters blame Trump and Republican lawmakers more for the shutdown than Democrats. The budget impasses not only redirects lawmakers' energy toward setting that dispute, but it also has furloughed federal workers who are meant to focus on helping write the legislation. Okay, so they are having the argument between this party and that party on the paper writing. Even without closing down government operation, the legislative negotiations were at a precarious point, with some Republicans barking at the idea. The Senate's version of the House's Digital Asset Market Clarity Act was ready to advance. So some crypto lobbyists have privately shifted their expectation as far as 2027 before Congress will finish that job, because next year's midterm elections would be expected to turn the Capitol Hill into a political battlefield again, in which bipartisan action could become difficult. Okay, so the idea that they are going to make the state of